Hey TK friends, this is Mrs. Ward, and today I'm coming to you from my kitchen. We're gonna sing a little song, and the purpose of this song is to practice listening, and we're gonna try to figure out the first sound in each word. We're figuring out the beginning or the initial sound in each word that we hear. And the words that we're gonna do today are going to be things that we can find in my refrigerator. We did this song before when we did Mrs. Ward had a recycle bin, reduce, reuse, recycle. But today, instead of recycling, because that was for Earth Week, we're gonna do Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. Let's see what I've got inside my refrigerator. There's not that much, honestly, because Mr. Ward is doing our shopping lately now that we're all staying home, and he didn't have time to go this weekend because he was doing construction on my front porch. So maybe he'll go to the store tonight. But anyways, let's see what's inside. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. And in her fridge she had some, let's take a look and see. Let's see. What are these? These are strawberries. Think about the word strawberries. What sound does strawberries start with? Did you think the S sound? What letter makes the S sound? If you said S, you're right. So we're gonna sing with a S, here and a S, there, here a S, there a S, everywhere a S. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. And in her fridge she had a, let's see what else I have. Oh, this is something my kids like to eat. Do you know what this is? This is yogurt from Trader Joe's. She had a yogurt. Let's listen to that word. Yogurt, yogurt. What's the beginning sound in yogurt? Do you hear it? Yeah, yeah. What letter makes the yeah sound? Yeah. If you were thinking why, you're right. With a yeah, yeah here and a yeah, yeah there, here a yeah, there a yeah, everywhere a yeah, yeah. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. And in her fridge she had some, what do I have? She had some, what is it? It's milk. She had some milk, yum, 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 yum. What does milk start with? Think of the sound, milk. It starts with the sound. What letter makes the sound? It's the letter M, with a here and a there, here a there a everywhere a Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. This is cold, I gotta put it back. And in that fridge there were some, there were some, what are these? They're grapes. Yum, 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 yum. Grapes. Grapes. What does that start with? G, G. What letter makes the G sound? That's right, it's the letter G. With a G, G, here and a G, G, there, here a G, there a G, everywhere a G, G. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. Now friends, some of you get the letter G, G, confused with the next letter. What's it gonna be? Let's think. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. And in her fridge she had some, what is this? You might put it on your sandwich with some peanut butter. It's jelly. What's the first sound in jelly? You could also call it jam. The first sound is J, J. But what letter makes the J sound? Let me give you a hint. It's not G, it's J. J makes the J sound. With a J, J here and a J, J there. Here a J, there a J, everywhere a J, J. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. And in that fridge she had some, hold on. Let me get this out. Okay, I want to show you without tipping it over too much. These are eggs. And friends, all of these eggs are from my chicken nugget. Can you believe it? So many eggs. I've been saving them up to make something yummy and special. Let's think about the word eggs. Eggs starts with the sound ah, ah. What letter makes the ah sound? That's right, it's the short E sound, ah, ah. With an ah, ah here and an ah, ah there. Here an ah, there an ah, everywhere an ah, ah. Mrs. Ward had a fridge, yum, 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 yum. And in that fridge she had some, this is one of my favorites. I like to eat this for dessert instead of something really like sugary like cookies or cake. What is it? Can you tell? In her fridge she had some applesauce. Yum, 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 applesauce. What's the first sound in applesauce? Can you hear it? Applesauce starts with the ah sound. With an ah, ah here and an ah, ah there. Here an ah, there an ah, everywhere an ah, ah. Mrs. Ward had a fridge. And by the way, what letter says ah? It's A. You knew that. Yum, 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 yum. And in her fridge she had some, these are big and red. What are they? They're not apples. They're tomatoes. 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 What sound does the word tomatoes start with? Tomato starts with the T sound. That's right. And what letter makes the T sound? T, T. It's T. With a T, T here and a T, T there. Here a T, there a T, everywhere a T, T. Mrs. Ward had a fridge. Yum, 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 yum. And in her fridge she had some, what else do I have in here? This is string cheese, but we're just gonna call it cheese. Yum, 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 yum. Listen to the word cheese. What's the first sound in cheese at the beginning? This is a tricky one. Cheese starts with the ch, ch sound. But that's funny because there's not just one letter in our alphabet that says ch. You have to put two letters together to make the ch sound. Do you remember what those two letters are? Let me give you a hint. The first one is C. Do you remember the second one? The second letter is H. C and H together make the ch sound, like in cheese. With a ch, ch here and a ch, ch there. Here a ch, there a ch, everywhere a ch, ch. Mrs. Ward had a fridge. Yum, 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 yum. Let's do one more. Let's see what else I've got in here. I have, what do I have? Okay. What is this? It's in a jar. Let me show you the bottom. There's not too many left. Do you know what these are? You might put them on a sandwich or on a hamburger. They're cucumbers that have been sliced up and put in this kind of juice that makes them taste different. These are pickles. Think about the word pickles? What's the first sound in the word pickles? The first sound in pickles is p, p, and p is made by the letter P. You're right. Let's sing it with a p, p here and a p, p there, here a p, there a p, everywhere a p, p. Mrs. Ward had a fridge. I'm going to put these pickles away so they don't get too warm. Yum, 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 yum. Thanks for checking out my refrigerator today with me, TK friends. As you can see, not a lot to choose from in there, so I'm going to go send Mr. Ward a list right now so he can go shopping on his way home from work. Friends, I hope you enjoyed singing with me. Remember, we were practicing the beginning sounds in words, also called initial sounds. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. I love you. Goodbye.